Hey everybody, just a quick reminder about one of the resources that you have as you, again, um, seek to find students that maybe need some support that you're not already aware of, which I'm sure that's hard to believe. It probably doesn't happen, but if so, if you want to go fishing for a couple of things. So here is the student monitoring dashboard that is mostly updated for the school year. Just a couple of quick notes. If you ever want to go to the tutorial dashboard that Abby keeps up, or the EM dashboard, and soon the pause, which isn't updated, just to see those students in those programs, you can click there. You should have access to those. Again, you've got navigation tools over here. So if you want to go to the area where you can kind of monitor students and kind of putting them in different support brackets, the universal supports targeted, or there's kind of some intensive supports necessary because of a variety of things, that will filter here for you. And you can use these filters up here to just sort by counselor or by program, to look at kids with just a number of D's or F's. This is 99% working correctly. I've got a quick calculation that I've got to fix relative to students and their log entries. This log entry column here, until I get it updated, may show log entries going back a year or two prior. So if you see someone that's got a log entry that's like 12 or 30, you're like, whoa, yeah, it's probably not from this year. I know it's an issue and I'm going to get it fixed really fast for you. So just a reminder, you can sort for students here that are kind of popping. The other thing that I know many of you use might be like, who's tardy to school? What's my total absences? As a reminder, for us and what we report to the state, if you are here 6 or more periods, you get a full day absent or a full day present. If you are here between 3 and 5 periods, you get a half day, and anything under that is considered no day for attendance. So you've got a variety of things here that you might want to look at. And then of course here are those reports, the DNF report or the current grades report. For the current grades report, you can filter just down to D's and F's, or for the DF report, it's already filtered there for you, and it also has some truants to school. But if you click on the current grade reports, of course, like, you can immediately filter. So if I'm one, I've already turned just my students on. I can look at specific grade levels. I can look at, do they have specific case managers or in support or an SRT? And then I can also filter on different grades. So if I want all of my students A, B, C, D, or F, or passing, we have someone that's entered a 4 for a grade right now. That's super interesting. These dots right now are blanks and will hopefully go away once the progress report goes. And of course, right here you can export. So this will download in a CVS or a CSV, excuse me, or an Excel file. As soon as you grab them, you just do a copy and paste. As soon as it exports for you, you can throw it right in a Google Sheet in order to manipulate it or do different things with it. So if you have feedback or things don't seem to be working properly, let me know. Of course, we can adjust. When you go full screen, you can see the different tabs of those things that we just talked about up here at the top. And of course, these green buttons will take you back to the master page as well. All right, let me know if you need anything. Thanks for all that you do. All right, now I've got to figure out how to turn this off.